Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Ian from Off Grid with Peniglen Cabin Life. Today's Sunday, it's the 17th of October. I am doing the extension again. I've put this one in already. To be absolutely honest with you, I thought I pressed the record button earlier and I did a bit of a talk and then I fitted that and I realised I hadn't pressed record. I've done that a couple of times. So hi to everybody, hi. Now the lens I'm using today, because I've been asked to keep saying what lenses I'm using, it's the 10x18mm, it's the wide angle lens. I thought it would be best for in here. Now, what I thought I would do today is do something that I thought of the other day. Now I'm looking around because I'm looking where it is. Now, obviously this is a wooden cabin I'm going to be living in, right? Well, I thought it might be good to do like a time capsule in it. Right, or eventually if someone tears it down they'll find what I put in. So what it is, I've cut this piece, I've got a piece over here that's going to fit under here, right, well not under, over it. So within this shelf here I'm going to put some stuff. So what I'm going to do is put a thermos in, Cabin Life thermos, right, put that in, and I'm also going to put this. Now my sister made me this a while ago. I've got two in the cabin. And they are, hopefully you'll be able to see it. Wait, let me see if I can get this right. There we are. It's a chopping board and it says Off Grid with Peniglen Cabin Life, picture the cabin and then living the dream. And it's got two thistles, one either side. Right, so what I thought would be nice if I put that into the wall, which I thought might be quite nice. So what I've done is I've dated it all. I'll show you that in a sec. I'll just fasten it back up. So hopefully you can see this. I hope you can. It says Off Grid with Peniglen Cabin Life, 17th of October, which is the day today, made by Sarah Humphries, which is my sister, and it's made by Handmade Treasures because that's the name of her business. So that's it. Now if anyone wants to buy any handmade treasures, she does all sorts. She's on Facebook, just Handmade Treasures she's called. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd put it in the wall like that, and then I would do this, put that there as well, Cabin Life, and then fit this over it, and it's sealed in here now until someone finally opens it in many years to come. There we are. That's about that. It's a good idea, that, isn't it? So I thought of that the other night. I thought it's something a bit different, like, so in here's done now, so it's just them bits. So I'm going to knock camera off in a minute, even though I've only just come on, and I'm going to have to empty all this area here to get in there because obviously there's a lot of stuff piled up in there. Now I've ordered some duct tape, so that's due to come Tuesday. So with the duct tape I'll be able to seal all the way around. So I've got that through Amazon, so that's coming. Now I just want to do a special thank you. Now on the Just Giving page that I have, which some of you will have seen, there's a link in the description for it if anyone was interested. On the Just Giving page I've had a donations now of £34, which is thank you so much off people. So there's some that are anonymous, so thank you. I've had a donation from I think it's Andy, and then one off Jackie, and then one off Helen. So the money I got off you three has paid for the duct tape that's coming on Tuesday. So you'll see me sealing it all the way around. So your kind donation, which is very kind of you, that will pay for all the duct tape to go around. So it's all coming Tuesday, so I'll make a start on that. Now my mate told me I had to seal it all the way around, so I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to knock the camera off and I'm going to start clearing that section out, and then I'll put camera on again. The weather's miserable here today. It's rained heavy last night. My solar's not charged up very well again, so I've had to have the generator on most of the day. So I knocked it off about half an hour ago, ready to do this filming, because I noticed on the video it was a bit noisy in the background. Now my mate Adam said in one of the videos I did that I was outside the other day, you could hear the wind on the microphone. Now that's because I'm using the old Rode mic. There is a wind muffler on it, but it's the old one, the original Rode mic. The better one I had, that's broken, so I can't use that now. So I'm using this, and then I'm hoping to get with the Prime sales on with Amazon, I'm hoping to get a new microphone with that then. So I could go on that MPB, but I don't really want to buy a second-hand microphone. You know what I mean? You don't know where you are with that, do you? I don't mind a second-hand camera because you get a warranty and you're covered with that. But I don't know, I didn't fancy a second-hand microphone. You don't know if it's had some hammer, do you? So, right, catch you all in a minute. Hi, welcome back. I've cleaned this area out now. And if I can just move the camera around, you'll see that everything's been stored in that middle compartment now. Hopefully you can see in there. Now we're back on this. Now I've cut this to fit here, but before I put it in, I won't take 2 minutes of your time. One, I don't know if people are aware, well some will be, that the members section that's on this channel will be going down in 2 weeks. I'll be taking it off the channel and I'm going over to Patreon. So if anybody's interested in going over to Patreon with me, there'll be a link in all the descriptions in the next couple of weeks that you can go over and support the channel. All the money raised 100% goes back on building projects. Like I'm going to be building the chicken coop, log stores, going to be building a room for the goats because I'm going to get some goats. I'm going to be doing lots and lots of stuff. So all the money raised or any kind donations, much appreciated. Now I want to also take a minute to say that I've had a message off my sister Sarah today. Well, what it is, I'm going to be honest now, we had a bit of a fallout about a month ago, really, well, a bad fallout, and we weren't speaking. And she sent me a text this morning, and we've made peace. I said I'm sorry for being funny with her, like, so I've apologised. So we're back talking now, so that's nice. I have missed her actually. I've missed her bending me ear and doing me head in as sisters do. So, but I apologise first, like, because that's what men should do, shouldn't they? So my brother's been on at me to try and make peace with her and everything. So I feel better that I've done it actually. I do feel better. So right, I'm going to get this fitted. So if you're watching, hi Sarah. Right, let's get this in. So I've not got much more to fit now. I've just got this wall here and then it's all done then. That's it, all done. And then obviously, like I've said, I'll tape all the way around to seal it. So we've just got to fit this now. So it's literally just cut 81, isn't it? I'm going to turn this round, hopefully you'll be able to see in here. It's not too dark, I hope. Right. Oh dear. I've not been sleeping well again, to be honest, actually. Not been sleeping well again. I seem to go through phases where I don't sleep well. 81 we want. Or just short of 81 to be on the safe side. Now, you might still hear Glenn howl every so often in the background. Tweed's out of season now, but Brooke's still in season, so he might still howl the odd time. It's quite funny that he howls, really. Well, it's not funny, but it is funny because he's crying to get the bitches and he's retired. He's not taking retirement very well, is he? Me watch, I don't know how to respond to that. It's like Glenn, that, isn't it? I don't know how to respond to that. You see? Yeah, right. Hopefully this will fit perfect. Just turn you back round, then you can see. Oh, now I've not cut that corner out, have I? So where's that? Oh, it's here. Okay, take a bit off the bottom first. Well out, innit? Right, so how am I going to do this? It has to be fatter at that end, so we have to go up thinner this way, haven't it? Right, hopefully I'll cut this right. hopefully that's right. If not, it's not going to be far off. But I might have to cut some more of that corner out at the top. Ooh. Ooh, we're not far out. I'd say that's good enough. That is good enough. Yeah, that's good. That I'm happy with that. I'll just take that round slightly. Yeah, that's good. That. So now we need to put a beam along here. So that's 81. So I know that. So I'm going to knock the camera off while I just go and cut a beam. All right, won't be a sec. Now, I've cut this beam here that you can see. I've cut that one, and then I've cut, I don't know if you can see here, I've cut this one as well to finish off on the corner here. So that's just one piece of installation to fit. Now hopefully I'm going to do that today, all being well. I don't know what the weather's like where you are, but it's starting to drizzle now. As Peter Kay would say, that fine rain that soaks you through. Or better than that, when he used to say the din ladies at school knew when it was going to rain. It's spitting! Everybody in! Everybody in, it's spitting. Now, I was brought up in Bolton, Lancashire. And that's where Peter Kay and Paddy McGuinness were brought up, I believe. And they used to work in a leisure centre. Hold on, I don't know if you can see me. Hold on, let me just do this. They used to work in a leisure centre. It was Horwich Leisure Centre. And it had a bath in it as well. Well, anyway, they used to work there. My sister Sarah, who I've been on about this video, used to work with them when they were there. So... oh dear. We're not far off now. Well, hopefully we're not far off. We're glad when this is done. Well, I don't mean the extension, I mean just this bit today. I'm a bit cream crackered today. So it's just one more to fit. Oh dear. Oh, let's see what measurements we got. At the top we've got 100 and... oh no, we've got 99. That was a lot, wasn't it? Well, it's 198.5, so say 198 for that. And then 99 for that. 98, 99. Oh, I've got to turn this round. Oh. Oh. Last one. I bet you don't fit straight away. It never does for last one, does it? Oh yeah, crackerjack today. Turn it round. Last one to go in. Spot on. It's a tiny bit loose in that corner, but once I put the tape in, it'll be absolutely fine. So that's it for now. I finished for today. I've got the last one on, like I've said. So it's all done in here. It's a case of sweeping up and tidying up now, which I'll get on with, or I might leave it till tomorrow. So I'll catch you all tomorrow back down at the cabin. And remember, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, if you could press the subscribe, thumbs up on the videos, and ring the bell for notifications when any new videos go up. Really would appreciate it. I'm trying to grow with YouTube, and with your help I can. So listen, you stay safe, you stay well. And remember, don't ever forget, dinky-doo. Stay safe, stay well.